Welcome to Upcycled Kitchen Creative Culinary Hacks, where we turn everyday items into extraordinary kitchen gadgets. Get ready to revolutionize your cooking experience with these inventive and eco-friendly hacks. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Let's dive right in. Our first hack, mason jar magic. Turn those old mason jars into versatile kitchen tools. From salad shakers to portable Parfait containers, these glass jars can transform your meal prep game. Watch as we show you how to create delicious and visually appealing layered salads and desserts in seconds. Next up, wine bottle wonders. Don't throw away those empty wine bottles. Discover how to repurpose them into elegant oil and vinegar dispensers or decorative herb planters. We'll guide you through the steps, ensuring you have both a functional and stylish addition to your kitchen. Now let's explore tin can transformation. Those tin cans sitting in your recycling bin, they can become handy kitchen organizers. Watch as we demonstrate how to craft utensil holders, spice racks, and even a magnetic knife strip from these humble cans. Your kitchen will never be cluttered again. In creative cutting boards, we'll teach you how to repurpose wooden pallets and unused tiles into unique and personalized cutting boards. Not only are these boards functional, but they also add a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen. Stay tuned for step-by-step instructions. Lastly, sock-it to me, no-sew pot holders. Learn how to transform old, mismatched socks into practical pot holders without a single stitch. It's quick, easy, and perfect for those moments when you need a pot holder in a pinch. You'll never look at socks the same way again. And there you have it, Upcycled Kitchen Creative Culinary Hacks. We hope these innovative ideas inspire you to transform your kitchen and reduce waste. Share this video with fellow food enthusiasts, and let's make our kitchens greener, one upcycled gadget at a time. Thanks for joining us today.